let's get into this little She-Go unit I have going on here. And I love her, so stay tuned and see how I achieve this look. Mwah. What's up, Lucci Gang? It's your girl Lucci V, and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another wig review and install. You guys, this is from WorldNewHair. This is my first time trying one of these, like they call it the skunk, because it got like the little skunk streak. This is my first time trying one of these wigs, you guys. And please stay tuned for this review, because you guys need to know about this wig and the real tea about this wig. So if you're feeling this look that I have going on and you want to know my full review of the wig and see me install it and style it, then stay tuned to this video right here. But first, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. And also follow my new Instagram, it's Lucci V. Let's go ahead and hop right into it. Okay, let's get into it. WorldNewHair, professional, affordable, creative. I know that's right. Let's go ahead and open it. I did choose a unit that I never had before. Let's see what goodies are in here first, though. Y'all know I love the goods. What y'all give me? Okay, there are 2 wig caps. Y'all know I love a wig cap. There is not the little temporary baby hair things. Is that what that is? Hair temporary tattoo. I think this some temporary baby hairs. I don't even play like that, so. But thank you, Worldwide. I appreciate it. There are also some lashes in here. And there is, an edge band. I love an edge band now. Let's get into this wig. I did choose what they call their skunk unit. This is a lace front, 13x4 body wave, 22 inch, 180 density. This is the skunk stripe. I've been seeing a lot of people do the skunk stripe with ballons, but this one is green. Ooh, let's take that out. Let's take a look at this lace. Yeah, it's looking like it's gonna be some easy lace to lay. I am gonna do some minor plucking. This is the middle part. They have other ones where you can get the skunk stripe on the side if you want to. But as you can see, it's a little bit in the back here and then in the front middle part. Ooh, this is cute. I'm excited. So I'm going to go ahead and pluck it, and then we're going to go ahead and get installing, Miss Mamas. Okay, so I honestly don't know why I'm looking all like pouty and sad like this, but I look a mess, but I'm going to fix that. Anyways, I had cleaned my perimeter with alcohol. I also added some skin protectant. Now I'm going in with 3 layers of Bold Hold Active. You want to use the blow dryer on cool setting to dry it to that clear. You see how it's clear? Yeah. And then you want to frown and slide that lace on. I frown so it can give me a little facelift when the wig is done. I love a little lifted face. Y'all better hope I don't get no surgery and lift this mug because... No, just kidding. But you want to repeat this all around the perimeter of the wig until you get the entire frontal laid. As you can see, I did pin the hair back out of my way just to make sure the hair is not getting like all up in the glue and messing up my install. You feel me? Look at that frown. Okay? And you want to melt it. Let's get it. Okay, so I thought I was done with the voiceover, but then I noticed I need to tell you guys what I'm doing with that white eyeliner. I was marking where I need to place the glue because sometimes on the ear tabs, it can get a little tricky with the placement. So I like to mark it with a little eyeliner to make sure I get it right, get it tight. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Now, this little extra step here is optional, but I do like the little pushback look so you can still get into my baby hairs. So, yes, if you like that, then do this right here, sister or brother. Okay, let's get into this final look because I am in love with this wig. Like, baby, like, what? Like, come on for this green. Like, I did not know I was gonna love this wig this much, but y'all, I keep looking in the mirror like I'm feeling myself. I'm not gonna lie. I did, of course, do my wand curls. You guys know I love to do a wand curl. Flip my head over a few times and combed it out a little bit with my fingers to get this little look. You guys, I love, oh my gosh, y'all. This wig, 10 out of 10. The lace was great. It was super easy to install, super easy to style. Very natural looking parts, lace, everything like is very soft. It was easy to curl. It's no shedding. Like, this wig is just the bomb.com. You guys need to get this wig right here. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, this is probably my favorite wig that I have even reviewed since I've been reviewing wigs, you guys. I'm not even gonna lie. Like 10 out of 10. If you would like to get this same exact wig, the link will be in the description below. You guys, I can't believe this. Like, I just feel like I look so fat. Like, stop playing. And I beat my mug today. You guys know I usually don't wear eyeshadow like that, but I felt like getting a little jazzy and snazzy today. But 10 out of 10 for this wig, you guys. Make sure you guys shop and get this here wig. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments how you guys feeling about this little she-go kind of look I got going here, you guys. I'm feeling it. I'm not even gonna hold you guys, but comment below. Let me know how you guys feel. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and follow my new Instagram. It's Lucci V. All right, Lucci gang, and we out.